Hello guys, Tyler Terrio here. It is 9:11 a.m. on Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. We are in Lewiston, Maine. There is this tree that was badly damaged last night on Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. It is a very tall tree, and there's also a limb that is broken off in front of a house here in the driveway. The limb also crashed onto a car here, as you can see. You can see the damage at the tree. And there's also a limb that broke in front of house here. This limb is also part of the tree. The tree was badly damaged. Here's what it looks like on the bottom here. We also have another limb that broke in front of the house here. We have some debris in the street, in the road. And if you're wondering what caused it, Tropical Storm Isaiah caused this last night. Thank God we did not get the middle of it, the worst of it. We got the very end of it. It was still a pretty bad tropical storm. It was also formerly known as Hurricane Isaiah because it broke up into a tropical storm. But yeah, Lewiston Maine Police were called last night to this incident. And then this morning, Lewiston City came over, Lewiston Maine City. There was a yellow pickup truck that parked in front of this tree. And I guess they looked at it and then they drove off. It's a pretty big tree. I'm not sure how big it is, but it's pretty big. Looks like it might fall. The storm caused a lot of damage last night, with damaging winds up to 50 miles per hour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for more videos of me in the future. Made by me in the future. But yeah, this was the broken tree by Tropical Storm Isaiah. This is Tyler Terrio. Thanks you guys for watching. Goodbye.